Hi everyone. Okay, so for my final project for the visual literacy course, what I did was I created the beginning basically of a presentation about the AP Euro history thinking skills that my AP Euro kids will need to know in this new redesigned curriculum. So we had a brand new curriculum last year, and we're just kind of learning how to teach it best. And one of the things I realized that the students are having the hardest time with is actually looking at these thinking skills. So what I did was I created a presentation for the first three thinking skills that we are going to be teaching immediately in the school year. And I tried to make them visual so students had a better idea of what they're supposed to be doing in their writing or in their multiple choice questions when it comes to these kinds of thinking skills. So here, for example, this is causation. So it's all about cause and effect, which made me think of dominoes. So I tried to make the smaller dominoes here, for the short-term causes and the long ones for the long-term causes, and using coordinating colors. One of the things that in my Google Hangout the group mentioned was that they thought the arrows were too small. So I tried to make them a little bit bigger and stand out more so that especially in a presentation students could see them. So here's the next one. This one is continuity and change, so what we see changing over time. So we have the small to medium sized to large sized castle. They're all still castles, and they all still have like red on them and pointy roofs and windows, but they get bigger and bigger and bigger over time. And then the last one I did was periodization, which is taking periods into blocks and identifying different things in history that happen within those blocks. So for example, like the Renaissance, the Scientific Revolution, and the Cold War were the ones that I picked for this particular portion of it. So in the end, I would hope to create one. I think that there's ultimately 9 thinking skills that they would need to do, but these are definitely the ones that they struggle with the most. So that's what I tried to create for my students. Thank you.